Happy day, dear children. Welcome to 7th Standard English class. Hope you are all good. Today we are going to learn about 3 tables book back exercise. Page number 27. Tick the correct options. First one. When the narrator pointed at the house, the countryman shuddered because he feared that they were lost. Second, the old man told the narrator that they would be dining in the dark because his son had bad eyes and could not tolerate the light. Third, the old man invited the narrator into the house because he both A and B are correct. Fourth, when the old man's son's face had become disfigured. Both A and B are correct. Just we have to tick. Next. Replace the word good in these sentences, phrases with other suitable words. First, he is expected to have something good to tell us. Interesting. Second, the pleasure of your good company. Enjoyable. Third, it's not good there, he said harshly. Safe. Fourth, whatever it is, it ain't good to see. Pleasant. Fifth one, being lucky in stumbling upon such a good dinner. Delicious. Next, F. Often prefix such as an, in, or this are used to make the opposite of words. Pleasant, unpleasant. Justice, injustice. Embark, disembark. Circle the words that have been formed by adding the prefix an, in, or this. Invisible, unjust, uneasily, undo, descend angel. Next, punctuation. We use commas, full stop, question mark, apostrophe, open quotation, close quotation, colon, semicolon, etc. Now we move to the exercise. Insert commas in the correct places in this recent newspaper record. In 1795, three men, Paul Revere, a Smith, Sam Adams, the governor of Massachusetts, and William Scully, a local developer, buried a time capsule under the cornerstone of the 18th century State House building in Massachusetts. On 6 January 2015, official opened the time capsule. The concern included an engraved silver plate, a copper metal depicting George Washington, 5 folded newspapers, the seal of the Commonwealth, some coins, at last 24 coins, including of cent, 1 cent, of dim, 10 cent and 25-cent coins, a silver plate made by Paul Revere, and a title page from the Massachusetts Colony Records. The museum's head of object conservation, Pam had field, used equipment such as a Farkapan quill, a bamboo tool and her grandfather's dental tool to open the box. She looked at the paper inside and said, they are in an amazingly good condition. Full stop.